I made this thing, this cool thing. I'd like to show you this thing. So with spheres, and spheres will rotate. And you can reset them. You can really tell when it's a cube. The cube. I'm going to do stuff like this. I already set it. Whoa. Alright. Now we want something, do like a plane. That's kind of fucked up. It just disappeared on me. Okay. How about cones? Yeah, that's right. We're on the cone. We're on the cones today. We're doing the cone thing. Check that out. That's really crazy. We also have this shape. The donut shape. That's my favorite shape. It's like donuts. That's all I have so far. I hope you enjoyed it.